Hi first graders, Miss Rachna here. I just want to show you a couple of tools to do homework for today. You have two sheets that you're going to work on, and then there's a game that you can play at the end. Now, if you're really good at remembering how much each coin is worth, that's great. Go ahead and add the coins up and write the answer and play some of the games. And if you're not sure how much each coin is worth, you might want to do some work with your money app over here. Now the money app is in your student toolbox, so you can definitely go and check out your tools there. I would suggest if you feel like you need a little practice with that, go ahead and do that. So, but here's your pennies, right? They are 1 cent each. And then the next coin up is your nickel. If you are not sure which one is a nickel or a dime, first look at the size. But then if you're not sure, you could just flip the side over. I'm just going to click on this button at the very bottom. It says flip. I can flip it and it shows me the other side. So then just to be sure which coin it is. And then these are your dimes. You can also flip them just if you don't recognize them. I would suggest you should ask for dimes, nickels, and pennies from your parents and practice counting them. And guess what? You're going to be using all the skills you've learned in the number grid. If you're counting the dimes, if you have dimes, let's say you had 1 dime, 2 dimes, 3 dimes, you're going to be counting by tens. It goes 10, 20, 30. But if you have nickels, you're only going to count your 5. So that's a 5, that's another 5, this is another 5. That's like having 3 nickels, okay? And then you have pennies, you're just going to go 1, 2, 3 pennies, right? So this is like 1, 2, 3 dimes, 3 nickels, and 3 pennies. That's how much it would add up to. I would suggest you can use your money app to help you if you want, if you're not comfortable with your coins. This one is only pennies and dimes, so it's like counting by tens and ones. So when you have a dime, nickel, and a penny, you would start with the largest value coin. In this case, it would be a dime. So you would start with the dime, you'd count 10 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so it's almost like going 10 for a dime plus 1 plus 1. And you could write that. Then you'd go dime, 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 dime. That's 5 dimes, right? And 1 penny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes and 1 penny. Okay, you can do that. Or you could use your money app and you can do 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes, right? And then you have 1 penny. So think, you could say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 1 more. You can just say, you could actually say 50 plus 1, or you could say 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1, right? You could do either of those. So that's your exercise for today. That was for dimes and pennies. Then you have dimes, nickels, and pennies. Same thing. When you're counting, it's like counting the tens, then the 5s, and then the 1s. You should remember that your number grid is your friend and this money app is your friend. So try it out if you need to. Okay, have fun with it.